Hello, good evening. Um, Today we are going to learn some more new things on HTML. Let's go to google.com, and let's navigate to w3schools.com. And in the earlier classes, we already come to know what is HTML, how does it work. We also discuss about some HTML editors, some basic on HTML, right? And we already know all this stuff. So HTML documents, all HTML documents must start with document type declaration, angle bracket, then exclamation sign, doc type, HTML, then angle bracket. And we already know HTML tag or HTML elements, whatever we say, it starts with opening tag and closes with um, closing tag. Okay, and the visible part of HTML document is between body tag and closing body tag. Okay, here body tag and closing body tag. Whatever you write, your content will be between these body tags. Okay. Now, we already discussed about also some more elements. Let's see. I'm just uh, revisiting what we already discussed in the previous classes. Okay, an HTML element usually consists of start tag and end tag. We are talking about it again and again. All right, and we already know what is p tag, paragraph tag, and what is the h1 tag, h2, h3, h4, h5, and h6. Okay, and we also know what is beer tag. Beer tag is used to make a okay, make a new paragraph. Okay, and we also already know what is nested HTML elements. HTML elements can be nested. Elements can be contain elements, and HTML documents consist of nested HTML elements. And these are, if you go a little down, you will know more about it. Okay, uh, I think it's here. We already discussed about it. We already come to know what is parent tag and what is child tag, okay, and what is um, grandchild tag. Okay, now we also discussed about attributes. Attributes provide additional information about HTML elements. It gives some more information about the HTML elements. Okay, all HTML elements can have attributes. Attributes provide additional information about an element. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. Okay, attributes usually come in name or value pairs, like name equal to value. Value always goes within the inverted commas. And we also discussed about hypertext reference attribute. HTML likes defined with the a tag. Okay, the link address is specified in the href. Okay, now let's see how does it work. Now we already know what is doc type HTML. This is the declaration of HTML5, right? HTML5 version we are uh, talking about. We are writing codes on HTML5. Okay, the latest version of HTML. And HTML, the opening tag and closing tag, we already know how to deal with all this. And always we have to keep in our mind HTML tag is always parent tag, right? Parent element. So mm, it will have head tag, okay? Head tag, and it will have closing head tag, right? Then inside the head tag, there will be like information. In our head, we have a lot of information, brain, okay? So it will have a title, and title should have also closing tag, okay? And inside the title tag, we write the title of our website or any page. So it can be about me, okay? And when you run, this about me doesn't show up here because it's not for the body, rather it goes for like browser as a title of the web page, okay? Like HTML attributes, this is the title, it goes here, okay? Now this head tag and body tag are siblings because head element also a child tag of HTML and body also child tag of HTML, okay, child element of HTML. So head tag and body tag are siblings, all right? And H1, H2, this is the headline, right? And always I'm repeating again and again, H1 headline or head tag will be only once in one page, not more than once. We have to keep in our mind if we want our website or contents to be get ranked on Google. Okay, so mm, always we have to make these codes beautiful, clean and beautiful, so that it can be readable to other developers. As in the company, when you will be working, there might be more than couple of developers. There can be 10, 50, or 100 developers. Okay, now today what I am going to show you is how we can put a link into our website. We already come to know how to put our picture, right? How we can put our picture. Just go and check, okay? Just go and check how we can do it. Uh, if you want to do it, just go to here and write image tag, all right? Or image tag right here. See how it is put. Just copy it. You don't need to remember it, or even you don't need to memorize it. When you write the code again and again, it will be remembered automatically. Or you have a lot of web content websites on this programming languages or scripting languages like CDN, okay, like W3 schools, and many more. Just navigate to the website W3 school and uh, just just search for it, and you will find it and use it. Just copy and paste. Okay, this is the job of web developer. So I copy it. Okay, so what is here actually? It's nothing but like alt. It can be anything. You can write my name, no problem. And width and height, it can be anything. Okay, now say for example, I want to put a picture of Barack Obama. Okay, Barack Obama. And what I can do, I can just click on images, and I want to take this picture, say for example. Alright, I just copy the image link, image address, okay, and where? Right here, right? So what I can do, I can just put the image address here and run it. And here is the image, right? Or I don't want such messy address. What I can do, I just can go to bit.ly.com and make it sweet and short. How? Just paste it here. Okay. And what I can do, I paste the URL here, create it. Oh, there was an error. Okay. Better I take again. Copy image address and I just create. Okay. Now the copy has been created and I just copy it. Very short and sweet. And instead of such messy huge link, what I can do, I can replace it. Okay. Replace with the URL I make shorten. Okay. So I make it short. It has become beautiful, right? Now, instead of my name, I can put now Obama. Obama, okay. Then, instead of 42, I can make it 442, 442, or 420, okay? Then run it, and it has become bigger, right? Now, maybe I can give height 320. Sweet, right? Now, what I can do, I can just put here BR. Why? I want a line break here, right? All right. This is a link on what? This is a link on some beautiful pictures of Barack Obama. Okay. I'm saying there are some beautiful pictures of Barack Obama, but when I click here, it's taking me to W3 schools because um, href is an attribute and value I'm putting is www.w3schools.com. I'm not putting or giving the link of the picture of Barack Obama. So if I want to put the link of Barack Obama picture, I have to take the link from here, right? And I will make it short and sweet. You see? So I just copy here and take the link, copy the link, and put the link here. All right. And now if I click, it will take me, supposed to take me to this link, right? If it doesn't work, that means the copy is not working. Okay, so we have to change the link. Oh, let's see, let's check whether it is working or not. We can just copy and paste it and see it's working. Then why it's not working here? Let's check. Some beautiful pictures. It's not working. Let's see. Actually, it has HTTPS, but here it's showing only HTTP. Now it's working. No. Alright. Now, better if it doesn't work, what we can do, we can just copy it. Let's try again. Maybe something wrong. Has been edited. Alright. It's not working. Anyway, better if it doesn't work, we always have to check. If it doesn't work, what we have to do? We have to copy and paste directly, but always we have to check whether it is working or not. Okay, now what's wrong? Okay, we put maybe outside of the tag. Okay, now let's try and click here Not it. It's not even working. Okay, let's try with different um, pictures. We can go to let's try with different picture, or we can try with any URL. Okay, let's try with this. Okay, what is this? This is an URL of a website. Okay, now click here to navigate to the website of Bubble. Okay, then just run and click here. Yeah, it's navigating. I'm not sure why it's not allowing us to take the picture, but we can try again. It should be allowing. Okay, let's try with Mark Zuckerberg. Okay, images. Let's try with images of Mark Zuckerberg. Click here. It's not taking to the picture because for picture we specially use a image tag, and for hypertext we usually use the hyperlink. It's like google.com. All right. So click here to navigate to google.com, say for example. All right. So better not to use a image link inside add tag. All right. Even Google is not working. Okay. Then try with W3 School. W3schools.com. Yeah, it's working. So today we learn new, that is how to use W3 schools. Just a minute, please. .com. How to uh, use hyper reference. Okay, href, and make a link to navigate to other external website link. Okay, now let's proceed. We are also we already discussed about headings. Okay, different headings, paragraphs, styles, how we can make it big, medium, small, all this. And we also already um, know how to make style. Okay, use CSS selectors, and we know how to format the text, how to make it italicized, how to make it subscripted, or how to make it superscripted. And uh, in the last lesson we also learned how to make them make them uh, highlighted with mark, right? Mark. To remember, mark tag, mark element. So when we use mark and run, it becomes marked, okay, with yellow color. All right, and it's very easy. What we are doing here is using quotations, okay. Now look here, HTML quotations and citation elements. It's not necessary, but you can learn it. Here is a quote from WWF's website. For 50 years, WWF has been protecting the future of nature. Click here, and here is a quote from a website. So what it is doing is just using block quotes and using um, attribute. Okay, what is attribute? We talked a little bit earlier. Attribute is nothing but adding some more information. And site is from where? From www.worldwidelife.org. Okay, so here is link, and we are just putting this citation or code inside the block code element. Okay, block code, closing block code. So when you click it, it comes like this. Maybe you can use with Q elements. Okay, let's try with it. Q means quote. Okay, you see, when you put inside the Q element, uh, it goes inside the inverted comma. So you can write block code or you can just write Q. I think Q is much better. Okay, so today we are learning new element or tag, that is Q tag or Q element, and comments. That is very important. Comment tag are used to insert comments in HTML source code. Okay, now a HTML comment tag, you can add comment to your HTML source by using the following syntax. What is the syntax? Angle bracket, then exclamation sign, two dot dot. Okay, it's not actually dot dot, it's a dash dash. Right here, comments here, then dash dash, then angle bracket. So we can try in our last code here, right? This one. Uh, Suppose we don't want this code, we don't want it to be run, okay, in our website. So what we can do, we can just write angle bracket, then exclamation sign, dot dot, then we can put the other content that we don't want to be running while we run our code. So we can end our comment tag here. So we can put it here actually. Okay. And all right. So when you run the code, you see this is commented. Commented means this block of code is not running. Okay, so it's not showing up. Again, what you can do if you want to, why we use comment is to put some notes so that only the developers can see it. The readers or visitors can't see it. So I can give a note like this is comments. Okay, all right. So today we already learned couple of new elements or new HTML tag. And colors, we already discussed about style and colors, how we can do it, right? And we also discussed a little about CSS. We are going to discuss it more in details later on. And HTML links or hyperlinks, we already discussed it, okay? So it will be between attack and close attack, hyper reference, hypertext reference equal to the value inside the value, inside the inverted comma, there will be URL of the website or whatever link you want to put. Then you can write the content here. Okay. Images, by this time we already discussed several times how we can embed text. We will see later on more how we can uh, put our file path and uh, embedded our pictures into our website. Then we also discussed about list, okay, how we can make order list and unordered list. And today we are going to learn a little about block, okay. So what is block? HTML block and inline elements. Every HTML element has a default display value depending on what type of element it is. The default display value for most elements is block or inline. Okay, now block or inline, if you want to know in detail, you have to go through this texts. Okay, a block level elements always starts on a new line and takes a full width available, stretches out to the left and right as it can. Like the div element is a block level element. We talk a little bit about div. Div is nothing but division, a code of block. Okay, div, hello, div. Okay, you see, div, hello, div, div, closing tag, div. Okay, so the div element is a block element and will start on a new line. Okay, so just using this div element, what you can do is you can do a lot of things. Okay, better not to discuss here in separate way. uh, let's discuss here how divs work. But look here, block level elements in HTML, you don't need to memorize it, just keep in your mind and use it. We will use again and again later on. The address, article, aside, block code, canvas, dd, div, dl, dt, field set. Okay, caption, figure, footer, form, H1 to H6, header, HR. What is HR? We are going to learn it today. LI, main, navigation bar, nav tag, okay? No script tag, OL, you know what is OL, output, P tag, pre, section, table, tfood, UL, video, and so on. Okay, let's see what is HR tag. Okay, if I put here HR tag, you see there is a line between this content and some other content. If I put here, now I put HR tag, so there is another uh, line is coming up. Okay, all right, now we learn new tag, that is HR. Okay, now we are discussing div tag. At the same time, uh, I want you to look at span element. An inline element does not start on a new line and only takes up as much width as necessary. This is an inline span element inside a paragraph. Okay, so you see span element, opening tag, closing tag, opening tag, closing tag. How it does work, we will see it later on. It will not be clear today, but in the next class, of course, we will come to know more about these tags. A div element, div tag, okay? The div element is often used as a container of other HTML elements. The div element has no required attributes, but style, class, ID are common, okay? And used together with CSS, the div element can be used to style blocks of content. Okay, how? Let's check. You see div element and closing div. Now, style has been inline, but I don't like it using inline. What we can do here is just we can put in the head tag, okay, and closing head tag. Then I better use title, okay, title tag, then title about London, say for example. And what I want to style it, right? So I put style tag, I open and close. Then whatever I want to do, I want to put this block of code inside the div tag, okay? So I can just mention the div tag background color is black and color is white, and padding is 20 pixel. Now it remains same because it was inline, and I just create style tag and I take it in head tag, between head tag. Okay. All right, now padding is 20 pixel. If I put 50 pixel, what happens? You see, padding become 50. Now this is deep tag. I can make it maybe red background color, okay? And color is white. I can make it green text color, okay? Now you understand how deep tag is working, okay? At the same time, if you want to put another content inside another div, what it will happen? Actually, this is also deep tag, this is also deep tag, right? Maybe you can write it H2 Dhaka, okay, H2 and P tag Dhaka is the capital city of Bangladesh. Okay, the same deep tag, but what you can do, we we can separate it with beer tag, or even you can just separate it with HR tag just to differentiate. Okay. All right. Now we learn how we can create deep tag and make block up code, make a division. Okay. And classes and ID, we talk a little bit about it in maybe before one in third or fourth class, but in the next class we will discuss more in detail all this blocks, classes, IDs, and little more about formatting also. Formatting is very important, okay? So that's all for today. I hope uh, you are learning a lot, but again, go through each and every HTML elements and practice, okay? It's very important. Once you complete it, you become HTML developer and you are ready to start coding a new website from scratch. Thank you once again, and within a couple of days I'm going to upload one more video, and of course we will start from beginning to end. We will review first, then add new topic. Uh, that's all for today. Thank you very much.